Let's connect with our charters then to find out what their outlook is on the markets as well as their top stock recommendations. Kunal Bothra as well as Nooresh Merani joining in as always. And Kunal, let's get in a sense from you first up. The SGX Nifty indicating at a pretty muted start this morning at 18,300. Can we scale up further?
Good morning, Avan. I think it was an encouraging day for the markets yesterday. Recovery of 100 points on the Nifty after, I think it coming very close to that 18,200 mark, and a recovery of more than 300 odd points for the Bank Nifty. More importantly, many large cap names managed to participate, back again after, yesterday's intraday move. We saw many sectors making a comeback. The PSU stocks specifically making a comeback for themselves. Banking stocks and especially those key private sector banking names like HDFC Bank, etc., which closed at the high point of the day itself yesterday. There was a mild increase in the open interest for both the indices on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. But I think the most important highlight, which I think I would probably keep a watch on, would be that 18,300 call option. So in the last 3-4 days, when the Nifty is trying to consolidate and take resistance at this 18,300 mark, say on closing basis, yesterday at the fag and in the last half an hour or so, there was a good amount of short covering which happened at the 18,300 call option strike. So we need to see the first half an hour, first 1 hour today, because it's the expiry, the weekly expiry week. If we sustain about 18,350, 360 levels on the spot basis, I believe that there could be a further amount of short covering which could probably catapult the Nifty on an intraday basis.
Nooresh, hi. 100-point recovery coming in from the session lows yesterday. What are we in store for today?
So the trend continues to remain positive. It continues to surprise us on the upside by very strong recoveries intraday. So out here, the case is the same. Once we crossed 17,800, it was about 18,200. Now we've sustained about 18,200. That gives us a target price of 18,600 to 18,800, which is closer to the all-time highs. So the view is we keep taking such steps, a little bit of a pause around the resistance levels, and then keep going up. Until the time we don't see a reason for the trend, say a trend change reason, continue to ride on to the positive momentum. The Bank Nifty needs a little more consolidation before it can take out 44,000. So it's essentially that Bank Nifty is much closer to the all-time highs. Nifty is a little away. So there is a distance to be made by Nifty. So overall positive on Nifty, waiting for some bit of more consolidation on Bank Nifty to participate. Overall, the broader markets could continue to do better because the mid cap and the small cap indices are coming back to 1-year highs. So stock specific action should continue to be as strong as it has been.